1. Ablaze. Ablaze is an adjective that means on fire or glowing with color, light, or emotion. The sunset sky was ablaze with shades of red, orange, and pink. 2. Absolution. Absolution is the noun form of absolve, to forgive. It means forgiveness or remission. I felt like Jane gave me absolution when she finally spoke to me yesterday after weeks of silence. 3. Adoration. Another noun derived from that came from a verb is adoration. It comes from adore, which means to shower with intense love, praise, or admiration. Artists with a good reputation usually receive a lot of adoration. 4. Aesthetic. If you read anything related to art, you will often come across the word aesthetic, which is a noun. The word often refers to how something looks. I really like that when it comes to clothes, you have a unique aesthetic. 5. Affluent. Affluent has one of the more straightforward, simple meanings of the beautiful English words on this list. It simply means being rich, wealthy, or having way more money than the average person. As a noun, you could use it like so. I wonder how different the lives of the affluent are from ours. As an adjective, it works like this. If you own a lot of companies, you are probably affluent. 6. Agile. Agile, by itself, is an adjective that describes something that quickly moves from one position to another. This makes sense, as its root Latin words are agilis, quick, and agere, stay in movement. It is important for runners to be agile. 7. Alluring. If something is so attractive that you cannot help but be drawn to it, it comes from the Old French allure, which means to attract. The idea of living in a country with free education is alluring to me. 8. Amicable. When something is amicable, it is pleasant, civil, or friendly. Even though it had been years since I spoke to Anne, we still had an amicable talk yesterday. 9. Amorous. You describe something with the adjective amorous when it is filled with sexual love. The word comes from the Latin amor, which means love. John and Jane had an amorous relationship that lasted years. 10. Angelic. If you know what angel means, you can probably guess the meaning of this word. If not, angelic is an adjective that means like an angel. It is something pure, sweet, and gives you a feeling that you are floating above the clouds, like an angel. She had an angelic face. I would say Celine Dion has an angelic voice.